Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 1, chapter number 5, probability. Now, this is very easy chapter, so try to understand, try to concentrate because these marks are sure marks. So, I will explain you some terms related to probability. Okay, random experiment. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking card from a set of cards bearing numbers from 1 to 50. This is for an example. Picking a card from a pack of well-shuffled playing cards. All these are a random experiment because you know the result. Suppose if you toss a coin then you know the result. Maybe possible, maybe one head or one tail. Okay, so therefore this is called random experiment. Then try to understand what is outcomes. The result of a random experiment is known as an outcomes. Equally likely outcomes. If a die is thrown, any of the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 may appear on the upper surface. So it means that each number is equally likely to occur. So therefore, a given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely if none of them occurs in preference to other. For example, if a coin is tossed, possibility of getting head or tail are equal. So this is called what? Equally likely outcomes. Okay. Then for better explanation, I will explain you some example from practice set 5.1, page number 160. Question number 1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Okay. 1. Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them. So in this case, remember one of them is important. One of them in her summer vacation. So what are the sites? Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lunar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandavan. How many sites are there? If you count this, you will have 8 sites. So out of these 8, one is to be selected randomly. So therefore there are what 8 possibilities and this is an random experiment. Okay. Question number 2. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. So how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. So out of 7 days, any day of a week is to be selected randomly and therefore there are 7 possibilities. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. So how many cards are there? 52 cards and therefore possibilities are 52 possibilities. Okay. Question number 4. one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Okay, now in this case, how many cards are there? So number one number from 10 to 20. So 10 is also there. So count this card means 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this up to 20. So there are 11 cards and therefore 11 possibilities are there. Okay. So this is what very easy chapter. So try to concentrate. Okay, today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.